How to set out of office in Outlook. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can set out of office in Outlook. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Outlook in your web browser in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're on your inbox page, to set out of office, navigate to this calendar icon from the menu bar on your left hand side. At the top left corner, click on calendar. That's gonna take you to this page. Now to set out of office, navigate to this new event button again on your left hand side. Click on it. You will see this kind of interface. First of all, select the date where you want to mark as out of office. Now you could select the time range for the out of office video. If you want to mark it all day, there is a toggle right here that says all day. You can simply turn on this toggle. Now your whole day will be marked as out of office. Now if you want to select multiple days, you have to click on this drop down here and select your days. If you want more than 5 days, then you have to head over to custom. For now, let's select 4 days. After that, if you want to add a title to your out of office, tap on add a title option there, type in out of office. At the top, there is a drop down that says free. Click on this drop down. From here, you have to select out of office option. Now, if you want to add a description, you could also do that. Click on the add text field that says add a description, and here you could add a description or the reason for your out of office. And once you're done with that, click on save at the top and then click on save. And with that, now the out of office has been marked on your calendar in your Outlook. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.